Welcome to TrueBlocks. In this video, we describe how to get started with mini-dApps. If you wish, you may skip this video and watch it later. The actual demo is in the next video. In that second video, I'll orient you to the new mini-dApp and discuss some of its features. This video walks you through the installation process. We assume you know how to use the command line and have Git and yarn installed on your machine. To start, clone the repo by typing git clone recurse submodules and the path to the repo. This is a mono repo. It has a lot of code in it, so it takes a few minutes. I'll skip ahead. Next, cd into that new folder and then type yarn deploy. This will install a few tools into your path, including Shifra and, importantly, create local app. Next, make a folder called Account Explorer and cd into that new folder. And now we're ready to create the mini-dApp. As a review, so far I've cloned the repo, entered into its subfolder, and ran yarn deploy to install some tools. Now I'm ready to run one of those tools called create local app. Type create local app on your command line. Press enter. It's going to ask you a few questions. We want to name this app Account Explorer, and we can hit enter a couple times, and it's going off and installing the templates. Now that we have all the template files, we're ready to build the mini-dApp. Type yarn build. Again, this takes a few minutes, so I'll skip ahead. And now it's finished. Now type open build bin. This is a folder, and the build process puts the executable in that folder. So now I'm going to move this onto my desktop. And now we have the application on the desktop. To review, we cloned the repo using git clone, we installed tools with yarn deploy, and then we ran create local app and yarn build to build the executable. Now I'm ready to run the application. I'll do that by double clicking on it. It's opening, and there you have it, your first mini-dApp. This is the end of this video concerned with installing and building your first mini-dApp. In the next video, I'll give you an orientation and discuss some of the major features of a mini-dApp.